On 15th August 2020, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced a unique health ID for every Indian citizen. So let's see how it will impact us, what are the privacy and data theft issues concerned with this scheme, and why only a few countries implemented this. Every Indian will get a new Aadhaar like health ID that will store the individual's medical records, including doctor visits, diseases, the line of treatment, and drugs taken. The health ID will be created by one time registration process using a person's basic details like mobile number or Aadhaar number. This will make it unique to the person who will have the option to link all of their health records to this ID. The scheme will provide integrated health services at a single point, be it hospitals, test labs, or consultation. The key feature of this mission is the technology part. It will integrate various digital health services to create an ecosystem which can provide easy and seamless access to patients' digital health records anytime, anywhere. All health ID services will be accessible by a mobile application. The patient's digital health records can be shared with hospitals and doctors digitally with their consent for a specified period of time. The patients also get access to DigiDoctor and Health Facility Registry, where information regarding the experience and skill sets of different doctors are available. Using this, one can make an informed decision while choosing their doctors. Next is telemedicine, doctor consultation through a phone call. This service will try to address the lack of healthcare services in the remote regions of our nation. And lastly, e-pharmacy, a digital generic medicinal purchase platform coordinating with local pharmacy shops across the country. This will ensure fast and reliable access to low-cost medicine to all. Moreover, decentralized storing of data is focused upon by storing one copy of the patient's records in their doctor's file and one is stored in their own individual DigiLocker. The government has also kept this scheme optional for people who do not want to share their health data. This platform aims to develop into a full-fledged window for addressing various difficulties like long waiting time to get an appointment with doctors, paying hospital fees, queuing for hospital services, and multiple hospital visits to get test reports. In 2005, the UK's National Health Service started an electronic health record system with the goal to have all patients with a central electronic health record by 2010. While several hospitals acquired electronic patient record system as part of this process, there was no national healthcare information exchange. The program was ultimately dismantled after an expenditure of more than £12 billion and is considered as one of the most expensive healthcare IT failures. The National Digital Health Mission is a very promising scheme, but how effectively will this be implemented across the country remains to be seen. The National Digital Health Mission will create a paperless, patient-friendly system providing access to a variety of health services on the go.